this fucking speech? Driver's license with you? Yes, sir. Of course, we can stop by. What's up, guys? It's your boy Miguel and your boy Tristan.
What's up?
Welcome to the first video for the TJM Car Club. I know it might be flipped and that J looks like an L, kind of, sort of. Doesn't matter. Today is Subie Day. There's a bunch of WRXs I've got lined up that I'm going to look at today. Hopefully, I can walk away with one either Wednesday or Thursday. So we're going to take a few out for some test drives, see how we feel about them, and then we're going to start, you know, the Subie car tour. Basically, we're gonna do this whole series with my truck, my Subie, Tristan's Audi whenever he gets it. Also, we're gonna look at our buddy John's Camaro, and you guys are just gonna be with us. This is like a new thing for us. We're all into cars. I'm kind of a beginner. Tristan's more closer of an expert, and then John knows a little bit more, if not a lot more than me. And we're just gonna hang out with you guys. This basically our whole channel is just cool car stuff. Hanging out with the bros and the girls, you know, everybody, and just having fun making YouTube videos about car stuff. And then hopefully we can get big enough, and then this could be like, you know, our jobs. So once again, it's your boy Miguel, this is Tristan, and it's Subie Day. So let's get test driving. We're off to the first car. Oh, also, this is like my actual face. I just realized I did that whole thing with the mask on. She sounds nice, bro. So this is the first one, right?
Well, mechanically, as far as sound, you want a project partner visually, you can fix it.
Yeah. Real sexy.
Alright, boys, Tristan here.
Vertical video, this guy.
Yeah, I'm not good at the cameras, guys. I'm not good at the cameras. I'm more mechanical. So anyways, so here we are, we're testing our Subie.
Yeah.
What do you think?
She sounds nice.
She does sound pretty nice. We did talk to the guy. He said it's mechanically sound. He is a mechanic, so everything's good to go for that. The paint on it though is very, very questionable.
Yeah.
So he did tell us that
The Kelly Blue Book is like 14 for this car.
Right.
Which I've seen a lot on anything past like 2007, 2008 for a newer looking model and everything, clean title. So he said he'll give us what's left on the loan for it to pay off.
Yeah. Which is good. It's not bad. But yeah, definitely cosmetic damage. Definitely, for sure.
We're definitely going to be paying for paint.
For paint, for sure. All
But
day.
I think I know a guy who can give me a good hookup on paint, so it shouldn't be too bad to pay for paint.
That's good.
But I think what I don't like is just like on the outside, this car isn't like super amazing. Kind of hurts to look at sometimes.
Yeah, it's rough around.
She's a fixer-upper, but like
for sure.
She's basically stock. She's just got coilovers and what do you say, like a 50/50 diverter or whatever.
Yeah.
This is the stock exhaust.
Yeah.
This is freaking loud for a stock exhaust, man.
He probably removed some stuff. I would
Probably,
for
yeah.
sure.
I think they said, I can't remember. It's in the Facebook description or something.
Oh, for sure.
But yeah, now we're about to just go drive her for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see.
All right. See y'all later.
Oh, by the way, this is a what? This is a 2011 WRX.
Yep. It's not an STI, so everything will be all right with that, though. It's okay. It doesn't have to be an STI.
Did you hear that pop? This mirror right here, this is actually a recall that Subie put out, and we got to pay like 50 bucks or take it to the dealership. Subies have a mirror wobble effect. Can you try and go on Google Maps and find like the highway?
Yeah.
Oh! Did you hear that pop, bro?
I did. All right, get in the turn lane, and then you can turn around.
Yeah, let's do a couple. Of course, we can stop by.
Hi there.
Hi, sir.
Your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir.
Registration insurance?
It should be in there. Yeah, I don't want to deal with this.
Where does he live?
Just down the street. Got the glorious caramel macchiato. This video is not sponsored by Starbucks. Of course, you know, we had to stop for some Starbucks before we go ahead and take our little road trip up north to check out the other Subies. Really confident about the first one we saw. This is like the third Subie I've test drove in like the past couple days. Dude's in the Coast Guard. You know, he lives like really close by. He's also a mechanic and everything like that. So he said if we had any problems with it, we could always take it back to him. He seems really dope. Picked up some Greek food. We're about to take a little road trip up north for about an hour. Check out two more Subies and then head back home and hopefully fill out everything so I can get my apartment. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Tesla spotted. Listening to Russian club music. Damn, look at that rap Tesla. The Tesla has been spotted. I think that's like, it's gotta be at least like 10. Right, we're here, we're outside the gas station. We're waiting on this person to pull up with the Subie. If you guys click the video, it's probably because of this Subie on the thumbnail. Yeah, we're about to take it out and have some fun with it. No, just waiting for them to pull up. There's the Subie right there.
Oh, look, he's pulling into the gas station.
Yeah, because they don't have our number. The other person's texting us, their friend or something.